Masha from Russia, Semion from Russia also. So what we did, guys, with you at first, during the first hour, we did horizontal push. We explained you this concept.
How we think that we are moving the floor under us by using our legs there.
Yeah. So we talked about the empty triple steps or empty steps. It doesn't matter. So do not push down, down, down. Yet use horizontal push to load into the connection.
Yeah, so if we break down our basics and if we're talking about driving force, for followers, the direction I push the floor to move is backward, 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 forward, and forward, forward, forward. For the side pass, it's backward, backward, side, and forward, forward,
Towards me.
forward.
Constantly.
1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So always toward the leader or away from.
Remember about driving force, resistance force. Yeah, for leaders, driving force. Forward, forward, back, 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 forward, 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 and towards my partner constantly here. Yeah. So then we did a slingshot by using this concept and the whip. Okay, slingshot first. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We connect. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay. You can also extend this slingshot when you go into the arc. 2, 3, and 4. You can go around. Then you go to neutral, and then you load again. Then we did a whip, and a 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, leaders, on the cell you have to stop your connection. Don't give more space after concept. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, 3, pull, step. That's all. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.